Hello friends! Are you ready for an amazing journey into one important process that happens all around us? Today, we're going to be exploring photosynthesis, the process of making food. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy in the food they make. This energy is stored in the plant's tissues and used for cellular respiration and other metabolic processes. It all starts with chloroplasts, specialized organelles that are found in plant cells. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for giving plants their green color. Chloroplasts are usually found in the leaves of a plant, where they can easily intercept the sunlight that comes in contact with the plant. When light hits the chlorophyll in the leaves, it is absorbed by the pigment and used to convert carbon dioxide and water into food, which is sugar and oxygen. This energy conversion is done through a complex process that involves multiple intermediate reactions, but the overall process is summarized by the chemical symbol 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light energy produces C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Plants are not the only ones that benefit from sunlight. Animals use energy from the sun indirectly when they eat a plant or another animal. For example, a rabbit eats grass, and a fox eats the rabbit. The energy from the sun that was originally transferred to the grass through photosynthesis is now transferred to the rabbit and then to the fox. So, there you have it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating scientific discoveries. Goodbye.